Good day also, if you are into trucking business, you own trucks or you own a logistics company that makes use of Howo truck and Shacman trucks, this video is for you because we are going to be talking about the full pricing of Howo and Shacman heavy duty truck engines in Nigeria in 2026. We are going to even cover the engine block and the the engine kit. So watch till the end. Let's get started. Like we all know, the Howo trucks has come to stay. Howo and Shacman are two of the most common use heavy duty trucks in Nigeria, especially for haulage, for oil and gas, and even for construction job. Most construction companies now opt for the Howo version and the Shacman because they deliver. They are real powerful. Then let's talk about the engine options available and the prices. For this one, we are going to start with the brand new. We will start with the Howo. The brand new Howo 371 engine in Nigeria now starts at 9 million naira and goes up to 9.8 million naira. Then the 375, which is the next in line, starts at 9,200,000 naira and goes up to 10 million naira. Then the 380 horsepower Howo engine in Nigeria right now starts at 10 million naira and goes up to 11 million naira. Then we talk about the Howo D12 24 valves, very powerful engine. This engine starts at 11 million naira, goes up to 12 million naira. Then we talk about the latest MT13. This MT13 is a very powerful engine used by most of these two. This Howo TX, this Howo T7 C-Track, the C7H and the G7H models. All of them uses this powerful MT13 engine, and this engine is very new. Is a new engine and is very powerful. Its fuel efficiency is top notch. Pricing for this engine starts at 22 million naira and goes up to 22.5 million naira. Then if you are using the Howo CNG grades, we also have Howo CNG engines available right now. Pricing starts at 12 million naira and goes up to 12.5 million naira. Then if you are looking forward, maybe you're on a low budget or looking forward to getting a refurbished one, we have a grade A refurbished one as well. Those ones start between available 9 million to 9.4 million naira. Now, moving over to Shacman engine prices in Nigeria in 2026, we start with the P10 series. The P10 is available in 12 and 24 valves. Pricing for the P12 Shacman engine starts at 10,500,000 naira and goes up to 11,500,000 naira. Then going to the next one, which is the P12 24 valves, delivering 430 horsepower. Very powerful engine. This one starts at 11 million naira and goes up to 12 million naira. Then if you are looking for a brand new Howo engine block, is also available. Pricing 1.2 starts at 1.2 million naira, and the complete engine kit is also available if you are rebuilding your engine at 450 to 500,000 naira. So these are the pricing. So what do you think about the price? If you need brand new, like original brand new direct from company, not refurbished, all these ones they pick from substandard ones you can get, this one is direct original. Do what to reach out to Alpha Luxury Wheels Limited on 08107992356 for brand new original engine of both Howo and Shacman at affordable rates. Please, before you go, do like and subscribe because we got so much more videos coming your way, and then we'll talk about the full price list of all the Howo spare parts in our next video. So please subscribe. Thank you.